Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XDC on MetaMask. Open MetaMask and switch to the XDC network or add it via custom RPC, then fund your wallet with a base chain token. Next, connect to a reliable swap or DEX, choose the token pair, and confirm slippage and gas settings. Finally, approve the token and complete the swap, then verify the XDC balance in your wallet. First, set up MetaMask and ensure you keep your seed phrase secure and private. Add the XDC network manually using the RPC URL, chain ID, and XDC symbol, then switch to that network. Transfer funds from an exchange or bridge into MetaMask so you have enough for gas and the purchase. With the network active and funds present, you're ready to connect to a swap and buy XDC safely. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more crypto tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for durable comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long coding sessions or travel between wallets. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Connect MetaMask to a trusted DEX or swap that lists XDC, then select the token you will trade from and XDC as the received token. Adjust slippage tolerance to a small sensible value and set gas limits to avoid failures during network congestion. Approve the token allowance when prompted, confirm the swap in MetaMask, and wait for the transaction to be mined, then check your XDC balance in the wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.